So you think I should just...
I think like this.
Here's the manual. It's tiny. Okay.
Previously on TWiT. MacBreak Weekly.
So what Apple's doing is they're basically taunting Intel at this point. Intel held Apple back so significantly. And what they've been able to do in just 2-3 years now is they've been able to rapidly expand the product line, right?
So now we know how big the M1 Ultra is. It's as big as the middle finger.
It's exactly right. It's as big as the middle finger, right?
Security Now.
Russia has decided to start signing their own website certificates. And this is one of those, what could possibly go wrong? Western certificate authorities are banned through sanctions to do business with entities inside Russia. So what are they going to do?
This Week in Google.
Marco Rubio, the senator from Florida, he picks the big issues to stay on saving time. For one thing in Congress, it's this. Wow. Stop changing the clock.
You know what you could do if you don't want to change your clocks ever again, y'all? Just make every clock an internet-connected clock.
It's not the actual physical act of changing the clock I don't like.
I'm just saying, if that's your issue, we can solve that today.
I just don't want it to be a different time when I wake up.
The queen of IoT has spoken.